Cleaning air conditioner coils regularly cuts energy use and lowers utility bills. Coils transfer heat between indoor air and the refrigerant, so when they are dirty, the unit works harder and runs longer to reach the same temperature. To clean coils effectively, shut power to the system, expose the coils by removing the access panels, and use a soft brush or low-pressure water to remove debris from the finned surfaces. Avoid bending fins and work along the fin direction. For deeper grime, use a no-rinse foaming coil cleaner labeled safe for your coil type. Apply evenly, allow the foam to lift soils, and let condensate carry residue away. Rinse only if the manufacturer permits it. Straighten any bent fins with a fin comb to restore airflow while keeping fingers and tools clear of sharp edges. Check and replace or clean the air filter before restarting the system because a clean filter prevents rapid reloading of the coils. Run the unit and monitor runtime and airflow. Shorter cycles and stronger airflow indicate improved heat exchange and lower energy consumption. Schedule coil inspections at least once a year and more often in dusty environments to keep efficiency gains consistent. Common problems are inaccessible coils, damage to fins during cleaning, and using harsh chemicals that harm coil coatings. For tight or packaged units, remove panels systematically and photograph assembly for reinstallation, or call a technician if access requires disassembly beyond your comfort level. If fins get bent, stop and use a fin comb sized to the fin pitch to straighten them gently rather than aggressive scraping that reduces airflow. If corrosive cleaners or high-pressure water are used accidentally, flush with manufacturer-approved cleaner or contact a service pro to assess coating damage to prevent accelerated corrosion. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find new jobs related to maintenance and efficiency work like coil cleaning. We host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post experiences about cost-saving maintenance and contractor recommendations.